How to add and join your friends on Super Sus. So this is super simple and easy. So if this video does end up helping you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you do need any help. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you're logged in into the game. Then once you are, make sure you're on the lobby option. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll all the way down and click on the social option right here. As you guys can see, all the way to the left. Then once you click on that, all of your friends, they should pop up over here. But if you don't have any friends, you're gonna have to click on this option right here, or it's at find friends. So just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to search up your friend's name or their ID. So I'm gonna just search up my friend's name. Their name is Ninja. Once you search their name up, just click on this done option right here. As you guys can see, my friend Ninja, he just came up and I could add him as a friend. So what you have to do is just click on follow. Then once you follow him, all they gotta do is just gotta follow you back and you could easily join him right here. If you guys are both online, you could easily click on this three dots and invite him. But if you just want to find friends nearby, you could click on this nearby option right here, and you could find friends who's around you. Now, if you want to join your friends, what you have to do is come back to the lobby, click on this private option right here, and you could easily join your friends. You could also add your friends from Facebook, for example, go to social again, go to FB friends, and you could add them on Facebook. So that's basically how you add and join friends in Super Sus. If this video did end up helping you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.